God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Hey family and friendsies, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and easy cinnamon raisin French toast. That's right guys, we are making cinnamon raisin French toast today, something other than the ordinary. Guys, this recipe is extremely easy, and as you can see, these are all the ingredients you will need: your egg, your vanilla extract, and some butter. Any brand of your favorite cinnamon raisin bread will go perfectly well with this recipe. Okay guys, to start, I'm going to crack my 2 eggs into a bowl. Guys, the number of eggs you use will determine how many pieces of French toast you are making. Also, don't forget your vanilla extract. The vanilla extract will give your French toast a very nice flavor. If you do not like vanilla extract, you don't have to go through this process. You can just omit this step. Just make sure that you beat your eggs up very well. Now, usually when I'm making regular French toast with either brioche bread or plain white bread, I will always add like a teaspoon of sugar to my egg mixture just to give my French toast a hint of the sweetness. But being that I'm using raisin bread, the raisin bread is already sweet, so I do not need the sugar. Now, I didn't have to necessarily add milk. I'm only making 2 French toasts, but I'm just doing this for demonstration. Remember, you can always add milk to your egg mixture if you don't have that many eggs. It will help extend the eggs for you, and also it will help your French toast to cook through. And it will add the moisture that you need so that you don't have a dry piece of French toast. Now at this point, I will also add cinnamon to my egg mixture, but since I'm using the cinnamon raisin bread, I do not need the added cinnamon. So right now I am heating my cast iron skillet. I'm going to add some butter to the bottom of this pan. You want to make sure that your pan is nice and hot before you add your French toast. And now it's time to saturate your raisin bread and all of the egg mixture. Make sure your bread is fully coated with the egg. It should be evenly coated on both sides. Once your bread is fully coated, it's time to add to the pan. Now, if it becomes a little messy, guys, just take a spoon and you can just clear up the excess egg on the side. No big deal. You're going to let that cook until it's nice and golden brown. It will only take just a few minutes in the cast iron skillet. So now it's time to flip the French toast. Just grab a spatula and you're just going to go ahead and flip that French toast over. And you're going to make sure the other side is nice and golden brown, just like that. And you will then just repeat the same process. And there you have it, guys. Cinnamon raisin French toast. This is absolutely delicious, guys. And guys, if you want to take it up a notch, just heat up your syrup on the side. You can also add a touch of cinnamon to your syrup. That is absolutely delicious as well. Today, I'm not adding the cinnamon. I'm just going to use regular syrup drizzled on top. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe today. Please take some time to try it and let me know how you like it. I hope you all take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Bye.